Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team per Lemon. Today we will learn how to fetch WhatsApp contact names using Python. Have you ever wondered how to programmatically retrieve the names of WhatsApp contacts using their phone numbers? Well, in this video, I will guide you through a simple Python script that does just that. So for this purpose, I am using a script. You can find this from the description of the video. Enter the play button. So for testing purpose, I am using some numbers. You can paste the numbers in bulk here in the comma separated format. So for me, it's this one. Okay, and press the enter button. Here you can see it's generating the names. So I want to use this to identify the valid WhatsApp numbers. I have the long list. I have generated a random numbers. Then I will paste these numbers into the script. The script will identify the only validated WhatsApp numbers using the script and generate the contact so I can easily outreach them by their name. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.